Have you ever used Pan Pastels before? Here are some of them, and it's basically a solidified pastel and works like a dream with stencils. So I have these stencils that are botanicals, and I have a piece of my painted paper here, and I'm gonna add some Pan Pastel detail on this. I'm just gonna use this. This is a neutral gray, and it's really a lot like using paint in that you just kind of pounce. You don't need to set it afterwards. It really grabs the surface. See how you can get a darker effect if you use a little bit more? I love this. It's also great to use these Pan Pastels in your journal and perhaps add some dimension and shading and so forth. So pretty. Got a little bit of airborne, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think I want to try. I'm curious to see if this little fern will do it here, which I think it will. Such an intricate little stencil, but I have a feeling I am swiping this sideways, mainly because the openings are so small. I think it's going to be safe. And let's take a look. Oh, exquisite. Pan Pastels. Yummy.